The Herman Miller Aeron Classic chair comes in 3 different sizes. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the size of your Aeron chair along with understanding the sizing chart so you know which size is best for you.
Shopping for office chairs? BTOD TV is your #1 resource for everything office chairs. Subscribe today so you don't miss out on any of our future content.
If you're shopping for a Herman Miller Aeron Classic chair, you may realize that they offer 3 different size options. Knowing which size best fits you will help so you can have proper ergonomics. Herman Miller does offer an Aeron size and fit chart to help you determine which size best fits you. Now this chart may be a little difficult to understand, especially if you are shopping online and you cannot try out the chair in person. To start, you will need to know what each size option is. First, there is size A. Size A is for shorter and petite individuals. This size has a weight rating for 300 pounds and under, but is recommended for users who weigh 90 to 150 pounds and heights between 4'10" and 5'4" inches tall. The overall chair width is 25 3/4 with a seat height range of 14.5 to 19.5 inches and a total height of 41 inches. The size B chair is going to be the medium-sized chair, which fits most individuals. This chair is for people who weigh 130 to 300 pounds and are between the heights of 5'2" inches to 6'6" inches tall. The B-size chair has a weight rating of 300 pounds and under. The chair width for the size B is 27 inches with a seat height range of 15 to 21 inches and a total height of 42 inches. The size C chair is the large size Aeron. This is recommended for users who are 180 to 300 pounds with a height between 5'3" inches to 6'6" inches tall. The size C chair also has a weight rating of 300 pounds and under. Size C has a width of 28 1/4 inches and a seat height range of 15 to 21 inches and a total height of 45 inches. In order to find out which size Classic Aeron you need, you will need to know your height and your weight. When looking at the chart, you can clearly see if you fall in the ranges for the size A, B, or C chair. The confusion comes in if you fall in the size A or B and size B or C categories. Herman Miller recommends that if you fall in these categories, that you should buy the size B chair since it is made for most individuals. But what we recommend is if you fall towards the line of size A, to get a size A chair, and if you're falling towards the C size, to get a C. If you're shopping for a Herman Miller Aeron Classic chair, or you currently have an Aeron Classic chair and you want to know which size you're looking at, there's actually a very easy way to determine which size chair you have. Now if you turn the chair around to the back, between the mesh and the upper part of the back frame, behind the Herman Miller logo, there are going to be 1 to 3 dots. Now these are raised and there's going to be 1 if it's a size A, 2 dots if it's a size B, and 3 dots if it's a size C. This chair has 2 dots, which means it is a size B chair. Knowing how to determine which Aeron Classic size chair is best for you is going to help you ergonomically. If you do have any other questions on the sizing chart, comment down below. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so you can stay up to date on our new content. Thanks for watching.